First of all, thank you so much for watching and supporting our previous episodes. In this episode, we're heading to one of Kaohsiung's most creative and colorful spots, the Pier-2 Art Center. So come join us as we explore the artistic soul of Kaohsiung. Let's discover the magic of Pier-2 together. Wow, check this out! We were just making our way to the Pier-2 Art Center, and suddenly we stumbled upon the 2025 Kaohsiung Milk Tea Party, happening right outside Exit 1 of Yanchengpu Station. With over 70 stalls offering milk tea, snacks, interactive games and stage performances, it's becoming a full-on celebration of one of Kaohsiung's most loved drinks. We're going to take a few minutes here to explore the festival, before moving on to the art center. So stay with us, and let's dive into this tasty surprise together. The city of Kaohsiung leads Taiwan with around 3,040 beverage shops, and annual sales of around 8.47 billion new Taiwan dollars, making it a major hotspot for milk tea culture. That was such a fun and unexpected stop at the Kaohsiung Milk Tea Party. Now that we've had our little refreshment break, it's time to continue our journey. It's just a short walk from here, and I'm really excited to see all the art installations, murals, and maybe even some pop-up exhibits along the way. The Pier-2 Art Center was once a cluster of abandoned warehouses near Kaohsiung's harbor. In 2001, local artists and the city government transformed the area into a vibrant creative and cultural park. Today, it's one of Kaohsiung's most popular attractions, filled with public art installations, murals, galleries, and cafes, making it a symbol of the city's artistic revival and youthful energy. Every corner of the Pier-2 Art Center offers something fun and memorable. It has revitalized Kaohsiung's image as a port city, bringing back its cultural charm and creative spirit. The tram you see running through the Pier-2 Art Center is part of the Kaohsiung Light Rail Transit System, Taiwan's first circular light rail line. This eco-friendly tram connects Kaohsiung's top spots like the Love River, Kaohsiung Exhibition Center, and Pier-2 Art Center. fully electric and cable-free, it glides quietly along the harbor for a clean, modern ride. The famous bridge you can see near the Pier-2 Art Center is the Kaohsiung Port Warehouse No. 2 Bridge, more commonly known as the Kaohsiung Bridge or the Great Harbor Bridge. The Great Harbor Bridge is Taiwan's largest rotating pedestrian bridge. It connects the Pier-2 Art Center area with Glory Pier, and every evening, the bridge slowly rotates to allow ships to pass, creating a stunning sight along Kaohsiung's waterfront. It has become a popular spot for photos, evening walks, and watching the city lights reflect over the harbor. Thank you so much for joining us in this episode of our Let's Explore Kaohsiung Taiwan series. We really hope you enjoyed our visit to the Pier-2 Art Center and the little surprises we found along the way. In the next episode, we'll explore the astonishing Formosa Boulevard station, dive into the lively Lioha night market, and visit the iconic Dragon and Tiger pagodas, some of the most breathtaking spots in the city. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next episode. See you again soon as we continue to explore the beauty of Kaohsiung, Taiwan.